Okay, so let's dive in. Now let's go to our canva.com like I have here. So you could just go to Google and type Canva. Okay, so this is what we are looking for, canva.com. Okay, so Canva, you can use Canva to create your flyers, posters, presentations, logo, whatever. So you have your presentation, video, Instagram post, Facebook post, posters, logos, flyers. It goes on and on and on. Thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, cover pages, stories, and so on. So Canva, you can use Canva to create anything that you want. Okay. So today I'm just going to walk you through how to get you set up with Canva. So after you have visited their website, like you see, you just click on sign up if it's your first time. It's then going to ask you whether you want to sign up with your Gmail, or you want to sign up with Facebook, or you just simply want to enter your username and password, create an account with them. Okay. I already have an account with Canva, so I'm not going to do that. I expect you to do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's my account in Canva, and let's just begin. So if you're looking for templates, you just go to templates, and you can see you have social media, personal, we have business, we have marketing, education, and trending. So let's say you want to create an Instagram post. So you just come and click on Instagram post, and it's going to give you templates that you can use to create your Instagram post. So these are just samples that you could start with. They are templates. You could just pick them and start editing. Once you see a crown next to it, it means it's pro. Okay, but don't worry, if you stick around to my channel for quite some time, you're going to be able to create wonderful things like this. Okay, so let's choose this one. Okay, so once you click on that, it's going to open up here like this for you. You can click on customize this template to open it in the design view. So this is where you get to design everything. Okay, so you can change this picture by clicking on it. You can change this text by clicking on it, and whatever you click on, when you look up here in the options panel we have here, see when I click on this, the options change. When I click on the background, have a different set of options. So just click on whatever you need to change. So here, if you want to put your company name there, you can just double click on it and type your company name. So for example, say ASKASABEA. Now you just realize it moved down, so all I need to do is be sure to stretch this, and then I have it in that order. I can then reposition it like this, and I can replace this with a different shape or my logo. I could even change the color by coming to color, and let's say I pick this color, yellow. So I click on this, and I also want to change this color, so I can just click to change the color. That is not cool. So let me see what other color I can use. So you can just play around with the colors, change. So if I want to change the text here, okay, to say a brighter color, I just click on this font color and click in the white. Okay, so anything you want to change, just click and change. Click, look out for the options and change. That is a quick tour of that. So if I want to change this picture here, I can just click on it and backspace to delete it. Then I'm going to go to my uploads, haven't uploaded any image, but you can come here and upload an image. So say for example, I want to upload an image of, okay, I'm gonna get any picture here. So let's say this picture. So I'm going to click open. Then I'm going to drag this picture to the side. Now you realize that the person's face is hidden. So I'm going to double click on that and I can stretch it. Okay. And then position it properly, and there you have it. Okay, so whatever I need to write on that, I can just write on this. And if you don't want to pick a picture from your gallery, you could go to elements, and inside your elements you are going to search for, say, person. Then let's look for another person. So let's say this lady here. Once I drag and put it there, I can also double click, zoom in, move her this way, click done, and there I have it. To position her properly, like so, and click OK. There I have it. So it can be this or what you saw earlier. So I just undo. So you can just undo by coming here to undo what you did, or you can redo by clicking on this. So undo, undo, undo. It resets it to the old one, and redo. Okay, we didn't have any redo saves. So again, I could just go to uploads. Because I already uploaded the picture, it's in my upload, so I can then drag it here, double click on the picture just to stretch it so it moves to the other side, and I can then move it like so to stretch it a little bit, and I have it here. Click OK. Now that I have this picture, let's say I want to change my background because my background picture is dark. The picture is dark, so I want to change this thing here to be a little brighter. So let's do white, okay, to give it some contrast. Okay. Let's do white, which will mean we have to change everything we've written on top. And we come to the color and change the color to something like so. Okay, we want to make it not too white, like that. Okay, then I'm just going to duplicate this page. Okay, so I've done one design, and that's the next one. I can just click on this, and this time we go to element, and we're going to select a picture. So let's use this lady this time. Double click, stretch, and move. Then we're done here. Okay, so that is how you can bring a picture into your Canva.